Hey guys, Terry here. So my workhorse failed to start on me a few days ago. What happened was I went to turn the key and there was hardly any power going to the dashboard. Intermittently when I would try to turn the key, the dashboard indication lights wouldn't come on. And of course when I turned the key, either I got a click from the starter or I got nothing at all. So I figured maybe the battery's dead, or maybe there's something faulty going in the circuitry between the battery and the starter, and then from the starter back to the battery. First thing I did was bust out my multimeter, which is this little tool that checks continuity in circuits, voltage, resistance, that kind of thing. I checked the voltage in the battery and it checked out at more than 12 volts, which is what you want in a good healthy car battery. Went online, found a procedure to diagnose an ignition problem in a car, and follow the procedures that I found that checked the continuity and the voltage between the positive battery cable, which runs all the way down to the starter, which is underneath the motor and attached to the transmission. That checked out fine. Same voltage that was in the battery appeared between this point and down there at the starter. Same as well on the negative side, from this point, the negative terminal on the battery, to the body, to the motor, and also to the starter. 3 points where this negative terminal connects to the battery. All those checked out. And then I ran a test on the starter itself, which is, this is the old starter right here. I tried simulating turning the key in the car right here on the starter, and all I did was jump these 2 points right here on the starter with a screwdriver. All I got was spark. A healthy starter would have turned. It would have cranked the motor up, but that didn't happen. So I figured, well, I'll just dip into my savings and spend 150 bucks on a new starter. It was only 2 bolts, you know, to remove, and it wasn't too hard to get to. So I figured, I'll just put in the time and see if a new starter will fix the issue. And lo and behold, it did. So what I wanted to do with this little video was just kind of show off a little bench test that proves that this starter is indeed bad. So what I'm going to do is emulate turning the key in the truck by simply taking power from the battery and going straight to the starter. So I'm going to take standard old jumper cables, like so. I'm going to connect the positive first. Just leave the negative off for now, just for safety, just for plain safety. This is how I always do it. Then I'll take the negative side and I'm going to hook it up directly to the body of the starter itself. Then I'm going to take the negative, making sure that the circuit is not going to be closed until I'm ready, and take the negative, hook it up to the battery. And now what I want to do is I want to jump, just like I did with the screwdriver. I want to take this positive jumper cable and jump these 2 points. And this is what a bad starter sounds like. So as you can see, the little gear in there is jumping out, but it's not turning healthfully. See, it just seizes up. That's it. Bad starter. You go to the auto parts store and give me 20 bucks. Hell yeah, core charge, baby. I've got a running truck now. Booyah.